Hello everybody, Will here from CreativeTeam, and here at CreativeTeam we believe user interface is important. We believe it's so important that I actually changed my desktop background for once. As with all trends, new things come in, old things leave. It's just a whole bunch of trying to stay up to date with everything. That's where we at CreativeTeam come in, because we like to keep up to date with everything, and so we're going to do the same with you. Join us as we go over the top 5 UI design trends of 2021. Let's get started. First things first, with the power of the internet and the ever-growing simplicity of learning, 3D elements have become more readily available and are receiving great love in the user interface design sector. 3D is also being widely used in full-screen animations as main key visuals. It's not only eye-catching, but users will often have their attention drawn to it. If you need a futuristic feel, this is definitely the way to go. Glassmorphism is the new craze this year. It's a through-the-glass effect. The premise of the style isn't new in itself. It's been used in previous operating systems before, but was phased out as trends do. However, it's a popular interface trend once again. Dark mode is back once again as a hot trend of 2021. Big brands like Facebook, Instagram, Apple, and Android offer dark mode as an alternative theme in their products in 2020. It looks modern, allows design elements to pop, and reduces eye strain. So many user interfaces are now starting to include this feature, and so should you. Colors are the most important visual elements which can highlight your content and brand style, but it should help the UI elements and surfaces to be easily distinguished from one another. The minimalistic aesthetic focuses on the visual aspect of minimalism and expresses a clean and fresh style in design. You don't always need a fancy UI or wow effects for your product to look absolutely astounding. There's nothing more aesthetically pleasing than a simple, minimal, and readable UI. And at the end of the day, these 5 trends are designed to bring a better end-to-end experience for your customers. That way, your brand can reach your customers in the best way possible. And if you don't know how to do that, check us out at CreativeTeam.io, because we're here to help get your dream started in the easiest technological way possible. Are there any other UI design trends that you see in 2021 that you'll be using? Let us know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.